Hi everyone, welcome to the Techno Galaxy. Thomas here. So you must be here on this video because you want to start your online store today without spending a dime, right? I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with Shopify's free trial, and I've got a special link that'll help you out with that. Shopify offers a 3-day free trial, and here's the best part. After your trial, you can continue for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. That's an insane deal to launch your entire online business. And you don't even need a credit card to start your trial. Isn't that cool? During your trial, you get full access to everything, like you can build your complete store with professional themes, add unlimited products with photos and descriptions, set up payment processing and shipping, test the entire checkout process, access thousands of apps and integrations, and test everything so you're ready to launch so that you can start selling and make real sales once you've chosen a paid plan. This isn't a limited version. You're getting the full Shopify experience that powers millions of stores worldwide. Now to get started, use my special link in the video description box down below. It'll take you directly to this sign-up page. Just enter your email, answer a couple quick questions about what you want to sell, choose your store name, and you're in. The platform is incredibly beginner-friendly. Pick from beautiful themes, customize everything with drag and drop, add your products, and you'll be ready to launch. No coding required whatsoever. Here's what I recommend. Block out a few hours during your trial to really dive in. Upload some products, test different themes, and make sure everything looks perfect on mobile because most of your customers will shop from their phones. So if you've been thinking about starting an online business, this is your sign. Start your free trial right now. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. And hey, once you get your store set up, come back and drop a comment telling me what you're selling. I love seeing what you guys create. Let's get your store launched. Click that special link below and let's go. So hope you liked our video on how to get the Shopify free trial useful. I will see you guys on our next video. Until then, please take care and stay safe, everyone.